Right here how she running. The fuel pump doing alright, but I think it needs the carburetor always been bad on these trucks. Check it out. She running though. But if we match the gas, you know, it's carburetor's probably all the way bad. She runs smooth though. These some spark plug wires, you can see I got them taped up. She running though. These some spark plug wires and different things. It's just been sitting here in the yard, you know. Show you guys, when you rush the motor, it's like it die down like the carburetor. Let's see what it does. I've been doing it for years. See here? Still could be the fuel pump. You can see how she does. She runs pretty good though. You can feed it slow like. This truck ain't got but 90-something thousand original miles on it. Dang, that's pretty good considering the year. What y'all hear run, that's how I adjust it up here. Turn it up by the carburetor screw. Here. You turn it down, up and down. Here. See how low she running now? Turn it back up some. I just want to share that with y'all on a quick video. Alright y'all, I'm out of here. She ran pretty good. I'm out. Peace.